Good morning guys, welcome to our channel, Automation Academy. Our topic for today, National Electrical Code, Part 16, Chapter 2, Electrical Calculations. Question number 1. What is the minimum general lighting load permitted by the NEC in a 4,500 square foot warehouse? A. 1,005 volt amperes. B. 1,125 volt amperes. C. 1,750 volt amperes. D. 1,243 volt amperes. Correct answer is B. Please see the reference. Question number 3. The voltage per turn for a transformer is 1.25 volt. What is the voltage of the transformer if it has 195 turn? A. 12 volt. B. 240 volt. C. 120 volt. D. 24 volt. Correct answer is B. Please see the reference. Question number 4. A 480/277 volt Y-connected transformer is used to supply a balanced 277 volt single-phase lighting load of 40,000 watts. What size transformer kVA should be used? A. kVA. B. 20 kVA. C. 40 kVA. D. 50 kVA. Correct answer is C. Please see the reference. Question number 5. What is the maximum allowable wattage that can be connected 240 volt 20 ampere single phase circuit feeding residential electric heaters? A. 3,840 watts. B. 4,000 watts. C. 4,500 watts. D. 1,920 watts. Correct answer is A. Please see the reference. Question number 6. An electric oven is rated at 2,000 watts when connected to a 460 volt circuit. What is the resistance of the heating element? A. 50.3 ohms. B. 75.2 ohms. C. 105.8 ohms. D. 120.7 ohms. Correct answer is C. Please see the reference. Question number 7. A voltage drop of 3 volts has been determined on a 120 volt circuit. What percent is the voltage drop? A. 2%. B. 2.5%. C. 3%. D. 5%. Correct answer is B. Please see the reference. Question number 8. A voltage drop of 8.31 volts has been determined on a 277 volt lighting circuit. What percent is the voltage drop? A. 2%. B. 2.5%. C. 3%. D. 4%. Correct answer is C. Please see the reference. Question number 9. If a 120 volt circuit feeds 6 80 watts fluorescent lamps, what current is drawn if the power factor is 0.91? A. 4.4 amperes. B. 3.2 amperes. C. 2.57 amperes. D. 4.7 amperes. Correct answer is A. Please see the reference. Question number 10. Calculate the minimum volt amperes capacity of a 155,000 square foot school. A. 225 kVA, B 155 kVA, C 375 kVA, D 465 kVA. Correct answer is D. Please see the reference. Question number 11. A store building 50 feet times 60 feet uses fluorescent lighting fixtures to illuminate the interior. If its fixtures is to illuminate 60 square feet, how many light fixtures will have to be installed? A 30, B 40, C 50, and D 60. Correct answer is C. Please see the reference. Question number 12. A dual voltage 3-phase motor draws a current of 45 amperes when connected to a 240 volt 3-phase circuit. How much current will the same motor draw if connected to a 240 volt 3-phase circuit? A 11.3, B 22.5, C 30.4, D 45. Correct answer is B. Please see the reference. Question number 13. What is the total resistance of a series circuit with 4 Christmas lights connected, each of which has a resistance of 3 ohms? A 2 ohms, B 4 ohms, C 6 ohms, D 12 ohms. Correct answer is D. Please see the reference. Question number 14. A warehouse requires 60 kilowatts of general illumination using 150 watt incandescent lamps connected to a 120 volt source. What is the current drawn by its lamp? A 1.50 amperes, B 1.25 amperes, C 1 ampere, D 0.75 ampere. Correct answer is B. Please see the reference. Question number 15. What number of 150 watt lamps are required to total 60,000 watts? A 100, B 200, C 300, D 400. Correct answer is D. Please see the reference. Question number 16. An industrial building is illuminated with 200 to 277 volt fluorescent lighting fixtures connected to a 277/480 volt 3-phase 4-wire Y-connected supply. If its fixtures draw 1.2 amperes at a power factor of 0.8, what is the total load in amperes per single phase? A 120 amperes, B 480 amperes, C 220 amperes, D 240 amperes. Correct answer is D. Please see the reference. Question number 17. On a 277/480 volt 3-phase supply with a balanced load of 240 amperes, what is the current per phase? A 70 amperes, B 80 amperes, C 90 amperes, D 100 amperes. Correct answer is B. Please see the reference. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe to our channel, Automation Academy, and comment down below. And don't forget to share the love. Bye bye.